welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yemi. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys. I get your comments, I get your loves. Thank you so very much. So this week, I want us to talk about boosting our immune system. If you're interested, please continue. Hello, welcome back again. So this week I want us to talk about how we can boost our immune system. Now we know that a lot more people are beginning to get the COVID vaccine, which is good. It depends on the one you get. So far that I know of, we have the Pfizer, we have the Moderna, and then we have the Johnson & Johnson. I actually got the Pfizer vaccine and it is 2, right? Between the first one and the second one, you are really advised to make sure that you're boosting your immune system. So I definitely was just, loading up on antioxidants, and that is what I want to share with you guys. Now, online, if you want, there are tons and tons and so many different juicing recipes that you can find. But really what I just want to remind us of is some of the benefits that some of these juices, supply to us. So that's what I want us to talk about this week. What I have here is the celery, apple, and ginger juice. I like to look at the ginger as a spice, right? We all know that ginger is a root, and ginger actually has so many benefits. It's very good for inflammation, also very good for your GI, which is your stomach as well. We all know that if you're feeling nauseous or you just feel like a little bit queasy, you can always add ginger to anything and it would definitely help to calm your stomach down. Now, when it comes to celery is loaded with antioxidants. They are actually very good anti-inflammation as well. They help to reduce your inflammation. Also very good for your liver because celery is a diuretic. It makes you go to the bathroom and urinate and get rid of the toxins from your urinary system. So celery is actually really, really, really good. And a lot of times too, it helps with reducing bloating, and of course it helps with digestion as well. Apple, one of the things I like about apple is that with any type of juice that you're doing, I see apple almost as a sweetener. So if you can do the celery and ginger by itself, that's fine as well. But if you feel that the taste is too hard for you, then you can add apple to it. Your apples are very high in vitamin C, so definitely an antioxidant as well. So apples are great. They act as sweeteners for me, and they're very high in vitamin C. For your green juice, if you don't like celery, you can actually switch that and put in spinach or kale. I actually like spinach, to juice versus kale for me. So the same recipe, you want to do spinach, apples, and also ginger. The next one is orange or orange colored juice. So with that, you could do your pure orange and juice that. Of course, we know that your orange is really high in antioxidants, is also high in vitamin C as well. So you can drink your fresh squeezed orange. It helps to boost your immune system. It helps with your normal colds because of the vitamin C's that you have in the orange. Another recipe for orange colored juice is carrots, pineapple, apple, and you could add ginger just to put that kick in it if you want to, but it is optional. We know that the pineapples are really high in vitamin A, they're high in antioxidants, and they also can be a sweetener. So if you have carrots and you really don't just like the taste of carrots by itself, you could do carrots and um, you could do carrots and apple, or you could do carrots and pineapple. Like I've said before, pineapple is another one that I consider a sweetener, right? So carrots, pineapple by itself, or you could do all three together: carrots, pineapple, apples, and if you want, you could put ginger as well. From your carrots, you get vitamin A as well. You get vitamin B, B6 from your carrots. You can also get potassium from your carrots as well. And carrots, as you know, they are very good for the eyes, because of the vitamin B. So absolutely, tons of vitamins in that one juice. Your vitamin A from your apple, vitamin C from your apples, your vitamin B, B6 from carrots, vitamin A and potassium from carrots, and very, very high in antioxidants. Your pineapple is high in lots of antioxidants. You have potassium in your pineapple. You have vitamin A, vitamin C, in and iron in your pineapple. So all this would come together to help you with your immune system. So the juice where you have your orange colored juice, where you have your carrots, your pineapple, your apple juice, are very high in antioxidants and nutrients, lots of vitamin B and potassium, and all those would definitely come to help you fight. The red colored juice, there's so many options that you can do here. You can do strawberries by themselves are very, very high in vitamin C. With the strawberry, you can add apple to it. So strawberry and apple. You could also do watermelon. Watermelon is one of my favorites because it's very hydrating. With the watermelon, you can add ginger to it. Watermelon also is very high in antioxidants, as we know, and that helps you to fight infection, like I've said before. And adding ginger to your watermelon just makes it go down a lot easier. Put some ice on that watermelon and ginger, and in the summer, you absolutely will have a good drink from that juice option. So, watermelon has a lot of benefits for your immune system, benefits for your skin, as well. So yeah, give it a try and let me know what you think. And the last one I want us to talk about is mango juice. Mango juice is delicious and yummy and very easy on your stomach. Your mango juice has lots of potassium, which is good, of course, for your heart. It's good for your muscles, and also has a better carotene. Beta carotene is anything orange, like your carrots, and mango has the beta carotene, which helps with your eyes. The mango juice also is very high in vitamin A, which is also good for your eyes and helps to boost your immune system. So absolutely, with your mango juice, you can take your mango juice and just juice the mango by itself without adding anything to it, and you get all these nutrients from the mango. And if you want, like I always use my pineapple as a sweetener, you could do mango and pineapple if you want to. If you find mangoes that are very sweet, I feel that you could do mango and spinach, because it will make this spinach a little bit easier for you to drink. So yeah. So in addition to all the juice recipes that I've shared with you guys, I also want to remind you that it's not just the fruits and vegetables only that will help to boost your immune system, you have to make sure that you are not consuming alcohol in a high amount. I advise people, if they can do zero alcohol, that's the best bet. You also don't want to smoke. Smoking makes everything worse. It changes the linings of your blood vessels. It constricts your blood vessels in such a way that it reduces the amount of blood that is getting to your major organs. And also, to boost your immune system, you want to make sure that you are exercising. When you exercise, you get all the good hormones and endorphins and chemicals that get released into your body, and those chemicals helps your body to fight infection. And the last one that I want to mention that you can do in addition to your fruits and vegetables is that you want to make sure that you're getting adequate sleep. Now, you could do all your fruits and all your vegetables, but if you're not sleeping, your immune system will be disturbed, because sleep is huge. So make sure that you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and that will help to boost your immune system. So guys, that's it for me for this week. I want you guys to share with me which is your favorite juice recipe that you use to boost your immune system. And if you guys want me to cover any topics, please shoot me an email, or you can leave it in the comment section for me. The recipes to this juice that I've shared with you guys, I'll put it in the description box for you guys to just see my own, the way I do mine. If you have anything in addition that you want to add on, please let's talk in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I want to say a big thank you again, and I'll see you next week.